I'm Max and this is my 1996 Volvo 850R. I've had this car for about 1.5 years now. It's a great car. One of the main reasons I bought it is because I used to have a 1996 850 GLT. Unfortunately, I did wreck that car, but it kept me extremely safe and kind of built up my trust in the 850 model. So everything that I've done to this car so far, not a whole lot actually. I've done a little bit of maintenance. Thrown a few IPD exclusive parts on it, like the rib kit. We've got the reverse air intercooler kit. Got the short ram air intake. We got the oil cap, oil billet cap, which is pretty nice. Got some radiator silicone. Got list goes on. So while I haven't done a whole lot to this car yet, what is coming in the future is the front and rear suspension of this car. It's been needing it since I bought it, but now it's all ready and it's ready to go in. Front and rear suspension includes the Touring Bilstein for the fronts and Touring Bilsteins for the backs. We got H&R, lowering springs. We got Miley control arms, great additions.
What's that gonna do to your car?
So the control arms will make it handle a little bit better. And also with the struts, no more clunk. This car has a lot of clunk in the front and you gotta eliminate that. Here we are in the interior of the 850R. The interiors of the 850R is one of my favorite parts of the car. It's got nice suede seats, which is exclusive to the R models, as well as the door panels have suede. Totally cool and totally soft. It's nice to touch. On the doors here, we do have the IPD exclusive lock pins and lock bezels. If you take a look at it, it does have R, exclusive for the 850R model. As for the sound system in this car, I'm running the premium sound system from Volvo. It's the reason why they call it the premium sound. It sounds great. I do have a Grom unit that IPD does sell on our website that will be a great addition to the premium sound. So another one of my exclusive IPD parts on this car is this exhaust, which is currently no longer available. It's super cool. It's got IPD engraved on the end of it, and I just think it looks great. The wheels on this car are 17-inch Volvo wheels, stock for the 850R model. As for tires, I'm running all seasons, perfect for any weather.
Mick, what are the chances that Max is gonna crash this car again?
Oh, dude, infinite.
Oh, come on.
If you didn't know, 850R sedans are really top heavy, so they're really prone to flipping over.
They're top heavy?
Yeah, very top, they're very top heavy, yeah.
Does Max know how to work on this car?
He won't let me work on the car. Every time we have a project going, he's like, no, I'm gonna do it. And I'm standing there like...
Because I wanted to get done fast and done right.
I want to learn, but he won't let me learn.
I show you things.
You don't. You just do them.
Yeah, you're supposed to watch.
I do watch.
It's called watch and learn.
I do watch. I watch you work on my car.
And you learn.
I'm like, hey, let me work on my car. And you're like, no, I got it. I can go fast.
Yeah, but then when you work on it, we stay way longer.
Gets done though.
This interview's over. I'm not doing this anymore.